Good morning, students. In our today's class, I will let you know about the Quit India movement and the Indian National Army from chapter 15. So, let's start with the Quit India movement. The presence of the British in India made India a target for the Japanese attack. All political parties in India and Gandhiji and Jawaharlal Nehru supported the British government against the Japanese army. The Congress session at Bombay ended in the midnight of August 8, 1942. Gandhiji, addressing the Congress delegates, declared to have our freedom immediately. The Congress then passed the Quit India resolution. On 9 August before dawn, Gandhiji and all other important nationalist leaders were arrested and the Congress was banned. The people came to know of the arrest of nationalist leaders in the next morning. The immediate reaction was spontaneous demonstration in the shape of hartals and procession all over India. As most of the leaders had been arrested, there were very few responsible leaders outside jail to guide the people. The people took law in their own hands. Railway stations, police stations, post offices and law court buildings were set on fire. The Quit India movement took different shapes in different parts of the country. The government took repressive measures to put down the movement. Arrest, imposition of fine, beating, lathi charge, use of machine guns were common methods of repression. The army was called in to crush the revolt. Over 10,000 people were killed in police and military firing. The movement was savagely crushed within a very short period of time. As a result of inhuman repressions by the government, the Quit India movement lost its momentum within September 1942. The Quit India movement had shaken the very foundations of the British rule in India. The British now realized that their days were numbered. Now my students, let's come to our next point, the Indian National Army. Subhash Chandra Bose had resigned from the Congress in the year 1939 and then he formed a new party known as the Forward Bloc. He decided to go abroad to join hands with the enemies of the British, and in this way he wanted to drive the British out of India. Now, let's talk about the objectives of the Forward Bloc. The first objective is to win freedom from the British without any further delay. The next one is to rebuild India after independence on the principles of socialism. Socialism means economic equality, freedom of justice, equitable distribution of wealth, etc. And the last one is to promote world peace. The British government was alert about Subhash Chandra Bose's activities. That is the reason Subhash Chandra Bose was put under house arrest in Calcutta. But somehow he managed to escape in the year 1941. He first went to Russia and then to Germany and finally he went to Japan. In Tokyo, Raj Bihari Bose transferred the responsibilities of Indian Independence League to Subhash Chandra Bose. Captain Mohan Singh had organized the Azad Hind Fauj or the Indian National Army, and Subhash Chandra Bose became the supreme commander of the INA. In 1944, at a meeting in Singapore, Subhash Chandra Bose, who is known as Netaji, took an oath to liberate India. He declared, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." The primary object of the Indian National Army was to liberate India through armed struggle. On 4th January 1944, Netaji arrived in Rangoon and set up his headquarters there. The Azad Hind Fauj launched its offensive against the British. Netaji called upon his troops to march to Delhi. The soldiers were highly inspired by Netaji's spirited leadership. They entered Manipur and succeeded in freeing 150 miles of Indian territory from British rule. But the victory, however, was very short-lived. Japan was finally defeated by elite powers. the INA was defeated. A large number of soldiers and officers of the INA were taken prisoners. After the incident of the atom bomb attacks on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan finally surrendered. It is believed that Subhash Chandra Bose was killed in a plane crash in the year 1945 on his way to Tokyo, though this theory is debated.